Hello, my dear friends. My name is Shiryansh, and today I am talking about how you can send more than 100 200 messages on the WhatsApp. Now, first of all, we need this app, WhatsApp Loop. The app link should be available in description. You can download it and install in your smartphones. Now, start the app. Now, it needs some permissions. Now, type your message. Type anything. What do you want? Now the number should be display. The number is 20. Now select how many times you want to send your message. Now I am selecting 26. Send. Select your contacts. Now I am selecting my contact. Now the message is going on. Hmm. Thanks for watching this video, guys.